Hi everyone, let's introduce our graphite sheet made in Suzhou DASEN-Electronics material. Okay, first let's look at the 25 micron graphite sheet. The structure is like this. Graphite sheet 25 micron with 75 micron PET release film, just like here. On this side is graphite sheet and on the other side is PET release film. When you use the graphite sheet, remove the PET film and leave the graphite sheet. But on both sides of the graphite is not adhesive. The second one is like this one. The structure is here. You can see on the graphite sheet there is 10 micron single side adhesive and then 25 micron graphite sheet, and on the graphite sheet we put the 75 micron PET release film like here. This is the 10 micron black single side adhesive, and this is the PET film. When you use the graphite sheet, remove the PET film and then left the graphite sheet and the single side adhesive. But on the side of the graphite sheet is not adhesive. The single side adhesive is just for insulation and to support the graphite sheet. Okay, let's look at the third one. The structure is like this one. On the top is the 25 micron graphite sheet and the 10 micron double side adhesive and 75 micron PET film. Just like this one, when you use the graphite sheet, remove the PET film, and then on this side of the graphite sheet is adhesive. You can put this side directly on the heat source. Let's look at the fourth one. On the graphite sheet, there is 10 micron single side adhesive, and then 25 micron graphite sheet, and then 10 micron double side adhesive, and then 75 micron PET. Let's look at the graphite sheet. When you use the graphite sheet, you can see that there is one layer of black single side adhesive. You can't remove it from the graphite sheet. And on the other side, you can see the PET film. Remove the PET film and then left the double side adhesive. You can see this side of the graphite sheet is adhesive. You can put this side directly to the heat source.